Guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put any social media icon to your desktop for free without using any software or extension. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so what you have to do is, you can see over here 3 dots. Click on that, is on Google Chrome, and more tools, create shortcut. If you want, you can change the name also, and just hit on create. And once you have hit on create, just minimize the page, and as you can see over here is logo. You can use the method on any social media for any social media it's the similar like Facebook. Just like that, shortcut create this account, and I will show you. For example, just cut this, click over here, it will directly go for YouTube. So this is all guys. If this video was helpful for you, so leave a like, don't forget to comment, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.